In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom an image in Squarespace. Whether you're a seasoned website designer or just getting started with Squarespace, this feature can be a game changer for your site's aesthetics, offering a sophisticated touch and an engaging experience for your visitors. Let's dive right into this easy-to-follow process. To begin with, you'll need to navigate to the Squarespace website. It's important to ensure you're logged in to access all the necessary features. Once you're on the main page, you should locate and click the Get Started button. This is your gateway into the platform where you can manage all aspects of your website. Upon clicking, you will find yourself on the dashboard, the central hub from which you can manage various elements of your Squarespace site. Here, you'll want to direct your attention to the sidebar. In this navigation pane, locate and click on Website, followed by Pages. This selection will facilitate access to the specific web page where you intend to apply the zoom effect on images. Now that you've found your way to the correct page, it's time to employ a little bit of code to achieve the desired effect of images zooming in on hover. On the left-hand side of your screen, look for an option called Design, and within that, select Custom CSS. Custom CSS is a powerful tool in Squarespace that allows you to customize the aesthetics of your site beyond what the standard settings offer. In the Custom CSS field, you'll need to paste a specific snippet of code. While I can't provide that exact code here, it typically involves defining a scale transformation on hover. This allows the images to slightly enlarge when a visitor hovers over them, creating that elegant zoom effect. Make sure your code is correct. Check for any typos or missing semicolons, as these can cause your CSS not to work as intended. Once your code is in place, it's crucial to save your changes by clicking the Save button. You'll find this option in the top right corner of the CSS editor. Saving ensures that your adjustments take effect immediately on your website. You may also want to preview the changes to verify that the zoom effect works seamlessly on your page. And that's it. You have successfully added a hover zoom effect to your images on Squarespace. This small yet impactful change can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your site, drawing more attention to your images and encouraging interaction from visitors. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips on enhancing your Squarespace site.